Welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. Today, we'll explore how to compute the sum of cubes of all integers from 1 up to a given number, n. This problem gives us a chance to work with loops, arithmetic operations, and JavaScript's built-in math functions. For example, if the input n is 3, we calculate 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed, which results in 36. This is a simple yet effective problem to practice working with loops and mathematical calculations. Let's dive in and break it down step by step. The problem is about computing the sum of cubes of integers starting from 1 up to a given number n. For example, if n is 3, we compute 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed, which equals to 36. Similarly, for where n is equal to 4, the result is 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed, which gives us 100. This problem is ideal for practicing loops and leveraging JavaScript mathematical functions. Here's the JavaScript code to solve this problem. The function sum of cubes takes an input n and it initializes a variable sum n to 0, which will hold the sum of cubes. It uses a for loop to iterate from 1 to n. Inside the loop, we use math, pow, I, and 3 to calculate the cube of the current number I and add it to sum n. Once the loop completes, the function returns the total sum of cubes stored in sum n. For example, when n is 3, the loop calculates 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed, resulting in 36. Let's break this down step by step. We start by initializing the sum variable sum n to 0. We then use a loop to iterate through the numbers from 1 to n. For each number I, compute its cube using math.pow, I and 3. We add the cube to sum n to accumulate the total. Once the loop completes, we return the total sum stored in sum n. This process ensures that all cubes from 1 to n are added accurately together. Here are two examples to demonstrate the code in action. For where n is 3, the loop calculates 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed, which gives us 36. For where n is equal to 4, the loop adds 1 cubed plus 2 cubed plus 3 cubed plus 4 cubed, which gives us 100. These examples illustrate how the program iteratively computes the sum of cubes for any given n. The ES6 version of the code is more concise, but works the same way. It uses let for proper scoping and employs arrow function syntax to make the function shorter and cleaner. The logic, however, remains identical. Compute cubes in a loop and accumulate the sum in the sum n variable. Let's analyze one more example where n is equal to 5. The loop runs through all numbers from 1 to 5, computing their cubes and adding them together. The final sum is 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125, which equals to 225. This demonstrates how the program handles larger inputs effectively. In summary, this program computes the sum of cubes of integers from 1 to n using a simple and efficient approach. It is a great example of combining loops and arithmetic operations to solve problems with clear applications in mathematics and programming. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.